In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Liverpool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you need on hand, and how to complete your payment confidently using the official Liverpool City Council website. First, head to the official Liverpool City Council site. This is the trusted place to deal with traffic-related fines in the city, including parking tickets, bus lane penalties, and moving traffic offenses. On the council site, look for the parking, roads, and travel section, then the area for parking fines and challenges, and choose the option to pay a parking fine. Always make sure you're on the genuine council website before entering any personal or payment details. Look for the secure padlock in your browser and avoid third-party payment sites. Before you click through, confirm what kind of ticket you have. In Liverpool, these are called penalty charge notices, often abbreviated as PCNs. They cover parking violations, bus lane violations, and moving traffic offenses like banned turns or no entry contraventions. Most of these are handled through the same online payment portal, so even if you're unsure which category yours falls into, the system will usually identify it once you enter your details. Next, have your information ready. You'll need two things: your PCN number, also known as the ticket number, and your vehicle registration mark, which is your license plate number. You'll find the PCN number on the notice placed on your windscreen or on the letter sent to you by post. Having these ready speeds up the process and ensures the system can pull up the correct case. Now you're ready to pay. Click Pay Online on the council page, enter your PCN number and your vehicle registration. The system will display your case so you can verify the details. This is a great time to review the fine amount and, where available, view any evidence such as photos. Check whether a discounted rate applies, as many PCNs offer a reduced amount if paid within a set early period, and be aware that charges can increase after deadlines pass. When everything looks correct, proceed to enter your payment details. The portal accepts major debit and credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro. Complete the payment and wait for the confirmation screen. Avoid refreshing your browser during processing. Finally, save your proof, download or screenshot the receipt page, and note any reference number shown. Keep this documentation as evidence of payment and consider saving a copy to cloud storage or emailing it to yourself for easy retrieval later. That's it. You've paid your Liverpool PCN online quickly, securely, and with confidence.